how should I hire my real estate So what are the sources of hiring people in real estate? Sources of candidates. कहाँ से आएंगे? So if you are hiring people above 20,000 rupees, if your salary if you're offering salary which is higher than or equal to 2.5 lakh per annum, you can go to portals like Naukri, Monster, right? ये जो portals हैं, job portals. If you are looking for an intern where you are offering something like, let's say, 5K to 15K, 5K to 15K per month as internship, then there are many websites which provide you these kind of people, which is like internshala.com. ठीक है, there is Fresher World. Okay, then use WhatsApp for WhatsApp status. So these are the sources of the candidates from where you can find out your, right? And in job portals, I have not mentioned, but there are many local job portals. Like in Pune, no, there is a job portal named as apnajob.com. So there are other portals, Work India. Right. So if you are looking for people whom you are going to pay more than 20,000 rupees, generally job portals work fine, right? If you are looking for 5,000, 10,000, 12,000 people on these job portals, we have not got very good response, but you may, but we have not got, so I have no idea, right? For LinkedIn, if you are hiring people less than this thing, you will not get, but if you are looking for a management position, then LinkedIn could be a good option, right? So depending upon the salary, so you can use social media. Let me write down LinkedIn here, right? But for LinkedIn, if you're hiring, you have to have a very good CPC, and you should be a kind of a brand for people to come and join, right? Because you will not find too many freshers on LinkedIn. And if somebody is very senior and is already having a very good track record, he would like to join an organization which should look very professional. So if you're looking to hire somebody from LinkedIn, your organization should look professional. Okay, so there are Indeed and all those portals, right? So as I said, there are many portals, etc. There are many portals from where you can hire, right? Job description and what kind of a you should put all those job description that we will put up, right?